Take a look at this X-ray. You are seeing a heavy metal plate and a series of screws driven directly into human bone to repair a severe fracture. Waking up from a procedure like this is an intense physical experience. In the early days of recovery, patients routinely deal with sharp pain, localized heat, and severe swelling around the surgical site. Those physical sensations frequently trigger an immediate psychological fear. Lying in a hospital bed, feeling the inflammation pulse around a newly installed hip or knee, patients often worry that their body is actively rejecting the implant. We have all heard stories about a patient's immune system attacking a transplanted heart or kidney. It makes basic biological sense to assume the same process occurs when surgeons bolt engineered hardware into a human leg. Yet every year, millions of metal orthopedic implants are successfully placed in patients around the world. The vast majority of them remain fully functional inside the body for decades, and none of those patients require lifelong immunosuppressive drugs. If the human body is fully capable of aggressively rejecting foreign objects, why does it reliably accept orthopedic hardware? And if it isn't rejection causing that post-op pain, what is actually happening? To understand the difference, we have to look at how the body handles a living organ transplant compared to an engineered medical device. Your immune system operates as a highly sensitive biological security force. When doctors place a donated kidney into a patient, the immune system immediately scans those new living cells. It detects foreign DNA, flags it as a threat, and attacks. Now compare a living kidney to these pristine, completely non-biological surgical plates and screws. Implants are forged from highly biocompatible materials, usually titanium alloys or medical-grade stainless steel. They contain 0 living cells and 0 DNA. Because there is no foreign genetic material to detect, your immune system does not trigger a rejection response. That early swelling and heat represents the body's natural inflammatory cleanup crew arriving to clear damaged tissue and begin rebuilding the fractured bone. Because orthopedic hardware lacks living cells, it bypasses the cellular mechanisms required for classic organ rejection. Any complications that arise generally stem from distinct diagnosable events, like mechanical wear or localized infection. Shifting away from the idea of rejection allows us to investigate the actual physiological culprits behind severe postoperative pain. The very first suspect is a localized infection. During or shortly after surgery, external bacteria can enter the surgical site, adhere to the hardware, and begin rapidly multiplying, triggering a massive response from the immune system. Unlike the standard aches of healing, an infection produces very specific warning signs: a persistent fever, sudden wound drainage, and a sharp increase in pain long after the initial surgical recovery period. The second suspect is mechanical loosening. Over several years, everyday physics and normal wear can cause the surrounding bone to recede, or the hardware itself to lose its secure grip, creating painful instability. Suspect number 3 is metal hypersensitivity. While rare, a small percentage of patients have an immune-mediated allergy to trace metal ions released by the implant. The localized soft tissue becomes inflamed, producing symptoms similar to a severe reaction to cheap jewelry. Finally, look at the heavy wear on this extracted hip joint. It reveals the fourth suspect, wear particle inflammation. As surfaces rub together over decades, they shed microscopic debris. Macrophages attempt to clear these particles, a process ultimately leading to chronic inflammation and bone loss. Infection, mechanical loosening, allergies, and wear particles all generate severe pain that patients easily mistake for rejection. But each of these is a distinct, diagnosable event driven by a specific mechanism. Pinpointing the correct diagnosis carries high stakes. Identifying the specific mechanical or biological failure allows surgeons to apply a targeted treatment. Identifying the exact culprit dictates the cure. A bacterial infection requires a swift course of antibiotics and a professional washout. Mechanical loosening might demand a hardware adjustment or a revision surgery to stabilize the joint. Standard post-op discomfort is a normal part of the process, but if you experience escalating pain after an initial improvement, a sudden inability to bear weight, or a persistent fever, you need an immediate surgical evaluation to find the source. Before they ever reach an operating room, modern orthopedic implants undergo grueling mechanical fatigue tests, corrosion assessments, and biocompatibility trials. Their safety profile is immense. Your body functions as a highly evolved system, adapting its biology to heal and integrate with the hardware to restore your mobility.
If you have enjoyed the video, like it, share it, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe it. Hit the bell icon to get notifications for all our upcoming videos. Join us to excel in this orthopedic implant industry and to know more about the job and career growth which is available in this industry. Thank you. See you again next week.